Hey garden friends, I hope everyone's having a great day. So today I'll be making a terracotta succulent arrangement, and this is probably 6 or 8 inches wide, and I'll show you the plants. I've got Echeveria light green, rosette style. You can see why they call it that. It is a beautiful light green. I also have Haworthia zebra plant. This one is variegated. You see that lime green? But not sure if you can see it, but it's got little streaks going up its leaves. They're like dark green. So beautiful. And it's like a star if you see it from the top. Oh, so pretty. Alright, I have another Echeveria. This one is topsy-turvy. It's this beautiful like silver blue color, kind of frosty. And you see the leaves there, how they bend over like that. Oh, so unique. Echeveria topsy-turvy. I have 3 Graptocedum Higgins. So I have 3 little cuttings like this one. Well, it's not a cutting, but it's got a little root right here. But 3 little stems here. And this one will turn just a bronzy pink color completely. Like, they are just so beautiful. So beautiful. But I also like, you know, their green color. Oh, check this one out. Cotyledon bear paw. And I have a tiny little stem here. I have 2 of them. But you can see that the little claws are pink on the variegated bear paw. And there's little cream streaks going up the leaves there, and look how chubby those leaves are, and they're fuzzy. So cute, right? Oh, okay. I also have Graptoveria opalina, one of the most beautiful succulent plants out there. They get so big and juicy, and they've got like this beautiful farina on top of them, and they turn just like this, they're all sorts of colors actually, but when they turn pink, that's when they look so perfect. Graptoveria opalina, and this one's like supposed to be a small one, and you see how big it already is. So chubby. Okay. I have 2 of these little pots here, and this is Synecia string of pearls. So I have 2 of them. And ooh, this is a fun one. Sedum minor. Oh, look at it. Just like any sedum, it is super tiny, dainty, and you can see that the old growth on the leaves are starting to turn that purple color that we all love, because, you know, naturally they're that light green in the center, but if they get enough light, they turn purple. So they're like little purple grapes. So cute. And that's a sedum minor. So, I'm done showing you the plants, but let's see, let's get started on this arrangement. I don't know how it's going to go down, but I'll start with the Haworthia, that I know. And I'll put it towards the back. Okay. It's a good start. And I think I'll put the Higgins right next to it. Okay, let's see. And I'll group them up. I have 3 of them, so I'll put the 2 taller stems in the back and then the small one in the front. And I'll try to plant them just that way. In that little bundle there. Press around the soil around their little root ball. Okay, because I gotta make them stay like that. Okay. That worked out, yeah. And I'll do I think I'll do the light green over here. Okay, right next to the Haworthia there. Gently press around it. There we go. And in the center here, I think maybe the little bear paws will do good. And I have two little tiny stems here. Oh, and they're so fragile that it's really nerve-wracking sometimes when planting these. Okay. Alrighty. That worked out. That worked out perfectly. And now I'll go for... Should I go for the opalina on the side over here? I think I will. I'll just adjust the Variehiggins a little closer to the rim over here, just so I can make space for that opalina, because it is pretty big. All right. Kind of nestle it in there, just like that. Shuffle that soil back to that section. All right, making sure that it's nice and straight. There we go. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. You see how like the color of it, it's just like, I mean, this one might have the farina as well, but it's just not as, I don't know, this just catches my attention. That color. So attractive. It's like a focal point for me, you can say. Okay, so now, I've got the topsy-turvy, I've got my minor, and the string of pearls. So, for sure the string of pearls should probably go right over here, so I'll try to nestle them so gently. I'll shuffle some soil so they can be right at the rim. Right there. And I will just gently take them out of their little pot here, and I'll shake off some of that excess soil. That root ball, I'll just shake off that root ball. All right. Ooh, messy. Okay. All right. I wish I could show you what I'm doing over here, but okay. So now I took out the little string of pearls out of their pot, and I've got the root ball right over here on this side, and I'm going to just make a little shallow well there. I didn't realize that the roots were like so healthy here, so it's a good thing. But that well there, I've got to make it deeper, and I'll kind of just nestle that little root ball right there and push the soil back. Okay, that's good. And I have another little cluster that I'll put right here. So I'll do the same thing. Take it out of its little nursery pot. Oof. Come on. They don't want to come out. Okay, there they go. They were so comfy in there. Alright. Shake that off. Bear with me. Alright, so there they go. The other one, the other little cluster of string of pearls. And look, I mean, check that out. These are all roots. Okay, so I'm gonna get my little well here going. Gonna keep those together. Just like that. That tail. And cover that root ball with the soil. Okay, so that's nice. Kind of press it down nice and tight because they're going to be trailing off the rim here. How cute. There's like plenty of tail there. That's going to grow very nice. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to stop messing with it. It's all going to fall apart. It's going to fall apart probably if I keep doing so. So I've got that little beer paw there, and I still have topsy-turvy and the minor here. Oh man, man. So I'll put the minor right over here, but first I'll settle in my topsy-turvy plant. And even though, you know, that little bear paw, it's tiny, it's like right in there, it'll grow nice and tall, and it grows like a little cluster. So it'll fill in. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, and the minor, put it right here. Okay, now I'm going to take it out of its little nursery pot here. All right, look at that. Popped right out. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So I'm only going to take out a little bit of that root ball, like half of it off. You have to be so careful with these. Okay. You see how I took like half of that little root ball off? And now I'm going to split my little cluster here. Kind of where it splits naturally, but I'm losing them right there. It's okay. I'm going to grab that little cluster, the first one, make my well, kind of nestle it in there. Boom, just like that. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. So delicate though, so delicate. And now I'm going to move my light green, make my well there for that other little cluster that I have. Okay. Oof. I'm loving the challenge, loving the challenge. Okay, here we go. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Now kind of shuffle it around here. Oh, make sure that that's nice and just buried in there. Oh, so cute. That's going to grow to be so adorable. I love the little mixture that I have here. A lot of colors going on. On this opalina. Oh man, so beautiful. Okay, so I do have a few stones here that I can fit in here and there. I hope I have enough. I like to start in the back with the stones and then work my way around to the front. This is the best part. Oh, I'm really enjoying myself. If you're still watching, thank you. Hope you're enjoying the video. You know, it's been a while since I've made an arrangement. It's been like, I don't know, I want to say like 2 weeks maybe? It's a long time for me. Oh. Now keep turning this little sucker. Oh, but this was a fun little combo here. A lot going on. You got the Graptocedum, Haworthia, Cotyledon, Echeverias hanging out together. Sedum, Senecio, Graptovaria. I mean, there's a lot. Different varieties there. So I'll be very gentle with the Graptocedum because those leaves, ooh, very delicate. They'll pop right off. And I made my better, I didn't make him, but my better half picked this combo. I like how, he chooses great combinations. And I like the challenge. Because, you know, I'm not picking them. I don't know what he's going to pick, so it's kind of like, you know, a surprise. I can have to, like, just wing it. It's not planned. But it always works out, because, you know, succulents are beautiful. Whether you have them in a you know, combination, an arrangement all together, or all on their own in their own little container. I'm going to take that perlite off that. Alright, and now I'm going to sneak some stones in between the string of pearls here. And I'll try to lift up those little tails there. Try to sneak some stones under it. It'll help the soil stay down there because, you know, it's such a shallow, I did it so shallow, like right on the rim, so I'm kind of pressing the soil around it with the stones so it can kind of stay put. Just kind of pressing it down, sort of like little anchors. So when I water it, it doesn't all fall apart. Or, you know, I lose too much soil in that section. Oh, that's so cute. And I really like it. It turned out so nice. So now, I'm going to dust off the rim here with my little brush here. Try to brush a little bit off that bear paw. And I see that I can put a little more stones on this little side here. Oh, so cute. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna dust off the string of pearls here. Got really dusty there when I took them out of their nursery pot. Oh, that's very nice. And I'm gonna clean up a little. So beautiful. Oh, I'm in love. I always get this feeling after making an arrangement, and it just joy. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. With the string of pearls hanging off there, and the sedum holding tight there. Oh, it's gonna grow so beautiful. Love that topsy-turvy in the center there. And you can kind of tell it's there because those leaves are like upside down. Ooh, and of course the Haworthia. We can't forget those little red Graptosedums in the back. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm glad to be out making little creations with the succulents. And if you're interested in making your own succulent arrangement, all of these succulents that you see here are available at suckycrafts.com. So go and get them. Until next time, bye garden friends.